Welcome to ClearSlide Tutorials.
Ready to share your content with a group of prospects or clients? In the Create Link tutorial, we reviewed how to create a unique trackable link to a prospect or customer. But when sending to multiple contacts at once, you'll want to leverage the power of ClearSlide's Compose email feature. It's a great way to send targeted emails to a group of individuals at one time. Before you start composing an email, we recommend configuring your outbound email settings, which will connect your email account, allowing ClearSlide to send emails from your own address. Doing this improves email deliverability and open rates. Go to My Account and My Outbound Email Settings. Sign in to Gmail or Office 365 account with your email credentials. Once your outbound email account has been successfully set up, you can immediately start sending from Compose email. If you use a different email provider or want to configure email settings for all users on your team at once, please connect your IT contact with our support team to get this process started. As with creating a link, you can compose email from your ClearSlide homepage in a number of ways. Hover over a recently used piece of content and click the Compose email icon. Hover over the Quick Start plus sign button and click Compose email. Or expand the Emails and Links menu and click Compose email. Once in the Compose email page, enter the account or email campaign name for internal tracking purposes. Manually enter your recipient email addresses, upload a CSV list, use a previous list, or pull contacts from Salesforce if you have the Salesforce integration. If using a CSV list, the list should contain an email column and a first name column at the minimum. You can also include last name, company, and phone number. Make sure to save your list as .csv. You can find list formatting information from this link here. Upload your list and select a template or draft a new email. Use the email editor to add formatting, insert images, dynamic merge fields for personalization, and more. Already have an email written and formatted? Great! Copy the email from Word or Google Docs. Click this Paste from Word icon to paste your copied text into the pop-up window and click OK. The text will appear in the editor with formatting intact. Attach your assets and adjust the link options. Be sure to check out our article on advanced options in the Help Center. Preview your email before sending to select your desired layout. Ensure any mail merge fields are displaying correctly, and to make sure you've attached the correct piece of content. Switch to mobile view to see how your email will look on a smartphone. Once you're happy with the preview, click Done and make sure your spam checker looks good. If the spam checker indicates your email could be spam, we recommend you read the article on this Learn More link on how to prevent your email from going to spam. By default, ClearSlide users send email from their own address. However, there is an option to send an email on behalf of another ClearSlide user on your team. Just select their name to send an email from their address. Wondering if you can schedule an email to be sent at a later date or time? Why, yes, you can. Click the Send button to send now, or click the drop-down to specify when you want your email sent. Don't worry, you can always revise and edit your scheduled email prior to it being sent from the Scheduled Emails page. Once sent, each recipient will receive their own personalized email with the trackable content link, all while having no visibility into the other recipients. You'll receive view alerts in your email if you enable them, as well as a new activity card in your ClearSlide homepage. Click the activity card or navigate to Emails and Links to view the list of your recipients with insights into who opened your email and click through your content. Now imagine you're prospecting and reached out to 30 contacts. 3 of them engage with your content right away. You can target those engaged prospects while it's top of mind and increase your chances of making a connection.
Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out our other tutorials in the Help Center.